you were talking about deep tech now. So I'm coming from academic background and I have been mentoring my students irrespective of gender. I don't see any gender. I don't see a boy or a girl. I just see they are my students and they are stuck somewhere. And because they are stuck somewhere, I have to mentor them out from their notions, their apprehensions, their fear. This is what I have been doing last 17, 19 years. 17 years. And deep tech, now today, universities are already including entrepreneurship, incubations, and they are including mentorship, they are including industry verticals and industry people from various verticals to be part of the curriculum. But we need more and more such initiatives. We need one common platform. This is, I think, the right platform where I can talk about this common grounds. Because you people have ideas and resources, and maybe you require right resources, human resources to engage in, and we are the one who can provide that human resource to you with the right skill set. Our students are very much skilled today, and we are in the era of generative AI. Please do not forget that. So today coding is, nobody's doing coding, but everybody's generating coding and coming up with a nicer idea, coming up with a nicer, any case study or any kind of implementation that you want to do, you can do it in 24 hours. I have seen that myself. So we are in an era of LLMs and generative AI, and what I see in the deep tech is cybersecurity as the major area which is going to be the next 20 years. Everybody is going to be either working, either providing services or providing products in the era of cybersecurity, because everybody wants to be secure. And we are in the world of digital. We are connected virtually most of the time. We hardly see events which are happening in person. Not many people are joining. This is what the scenario is. And we are connected virtually, and security is always a concern when we are sharing online. So this is going to be the next deep tech in which the people, students, even the companies are going to work in. So this is where I want to, so these two things I want from this panel discussion, that if there is any common platform for students, for graduate students who can be part of the industry verticals, getting right mentorship at the right time so that we can stop that leakage. What you were talking about, 43% leakage or 26% leakages at the graduate level, and it is happening. And I feel very bad when I see my students not getting the right opportunity, although they are very much skilled. So this is something which I want. Thank you so much.